Freak, man. Tired of y'all niggas. Y'all niggas stupid, man. Trying to get rewarded and stuff for catching niggas. Y'all ain't gonna catch me. Walked up in the store, grabbed me a Snicker and a cup of that orange juice and then the liquor so I can get it to my bro. You know, we about to go and drove to the blue store. Got what I want, ran out the store. Hey man, don't you come here no more. I ain't coming back, nigga. Why the freak you think I'm dumb? I ain't trying to get caught. Man, I'm on the run. Hopped up in my truck, my handle just broke. Reached in the window, then it opened. You know I'm the Sophie, coming with that quickness. Me and my brother, we out here riding around and we getting it. No, we be fishing, hitting it, missing gas. Think I need some real bad. Should I go to the blue store? Nah, forget that. Head a quick way, get in the stove, grab a box of pizza there and ran out the door. Man, I was hungry. I ain't take that stuff. I don't care. I don't play with it, bro. I seen Independence PD. Think that's at my truck on TV. Tried to get me. I was like, forget y'all. All y'all. Except my auntie. Forgive me. I was like, silly. You gotta think. Got my drink. Went out. Back to the stove. I don't know why. I saw that cop ride by. Then I got scared. Butterflies. Man, I couldn't even open my eyes. Like I was disappearing. My steering wearing was driving by itself. What the freak they do with it? Nigga, by my rep. Now I got a good rep. Should I say bad? People get mad. My mom and daddy like, I don't know why he do that. You know why? Man, I'm poor. I ain't got no money. I'm about to head to the store. Give me a couple snacks. Give me a couple cups. Think I want some chicken tonight. Nigga, what's up? Do you want them ribs? Mama like, yeah, I will be right back. Hell yeah, I don't need no money. You know how the game go. I steal every single day. My chain closed. That's why I went to Route 21, stole a shirt off the rack, ran 1,000 of them done. That's all I need. I already had the cargo. Then I need some chucks. About to hit down to Margo. Nigga, get me something to drink. Get me something to eat. Taco this week. I don't need that. I think I'm about to hit the steak out. Get some steak, nigga. And I will take out everything I bought. Well, I didn't buy it. You should come steal, nigga. It's nothing to try it. It's just a habit. Yeah, bad habit. And everything I see, I swear I got to grab it. You should call me a thief, nigga, getting caught. And I think I would steal a table off the salt. Table on the salt off the table. Nigga, on the table. What the frick you want? Freaking in my rhymes. I do this all the time. Uncle named Brian. Uncle named Bruce. Uncle named Jerry. Too scary. Stealing out of marriage. What the frick is marriage? That is a flower store. Bought some yesterday for my mama dope. Nigga, don't you hate? Nigga, don't be lying. My sister needs some pampers. Ooh, man, I'm crying. You know how I get it. Man, I'm just my witness. I don't ask forgiveness. Nigga, what you need? I'm just hungry little dude. Freak that dog, I don't need no food. I'm bad mother trucker. Ask my brother, I live with my mother. Then I'm undercover. Grabbing all you girls, taking all your sneaks. I think I want some treat. Now give me some of that freak. No, I don't want it, I'll take that too. What you said, girl? I'll snatch your shoes. Give one to my sister, give one to my niece. We ride out, nigga, to Peach. Then y'all better take a picture of my truck. Cause you ain't gonna see it no more. I swear to God, I'll be stuck somewhere. You ain't never seen me getting dumb there. Everybody like, well, I'm gonna let that boy come there. Still a thief. Yeah, I steal, man. I'm sorry, I'm on the real, man. This for real, man. I steal, man. If I could, I'd probably kill, man. Freak that nigga. Nigga can't freak with me, man. I'm tired, man. I'm tired of stealing.